Hi friends, welcome back to Cosmo Compass. Today is the final part of my Mexico series and we're ending with something truly beautiful, a tour of UNICO, one of the most luxurious adults-only all-inclusive resorts in Riviera Maya. The lobby is absolutely stunning, it's open, airy, and filled with neutral tones and textures. It honestly feels more like a high-end wellness retreat than an all-inclusive resort. Right off the lobby, we checked Unico's wellness area, and this was one of my favorite parts. They have a full spa with hydrotherapy, beautiful treatment rooms, relaxing spaces, and everything feels so serene. They also have a salon where you could book hair, nails, and beauty services, perfect if you're coming for a wedding or special occasion. And the gym. It's spacious, clean, and fully equipped. Whether you want strength training, cardio, or classes, they have it all. After that, we took a look at Unico's Nightclub, and it's such a cool space. It's stylish, modern, and honestly feels like a trendy lounge you'd find in a big city. It's the perfect place to grab a drink and hang out after dinner. Right outside the nightclub area, we actually saw some local wildlife. First, we spotted a black spiny-tailed iguana, which is native to Mexico. They are currently considered a threatened species and are known for being one of the fastest running lizards in the world, with speeds up to 30 miles an hour. And finally, one of my favorites, we saw the white-nosed Coati, also native to this region. They're part of the raccoon family and are also so cute and curious. It was such a cool surprise and made the experience feel even more authentic. We also toured two of their rooms, and it's honestly one of the most aesthetic rooms I've ever seen at an adults-only resort. Clean blinds, warm neutrals, a spa-like bathroom, and a signature Unico style everywhere. Unico really has that perfect blend of modern luxury, wellness, and relaxing adult-only vibes. If you're looking for a peaceful upscale getaway in Mexico, this resort should definitely be on your list. Thank you so much for coming along with me on this Mexico series. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. The next adventure is coming soon. See you in the next one.